Welcome to Art Magic.
Celebrate Mother's Day with a heartwarming drawing of a young Muslim mother and her daughter. Begin by drawing the outline of the mother's face. Sketch a gentle curve for her forehead and a slightly pointed chin. Add facial features to the mother's face. Outline the mother's headscarf, known as a hijab. Draw flowing lines to depict the fabric gracefully draping around her face. Move on to drawing the daughter next to her mother. Create a smaller version of the mother's face to represent the girl. Draw almond-shaped eyes, a small nose, and a soft smile to convey warmth and love. Add details to the daughter's face, mirroring those of the mother. Draw eyes, a nose, and a sweet smile to reflect the love shared between mother and child. Draw the arms of both figures, showing them gently embracing each other or holding hands to symbolize their strong bond. Outline the clothing of both the mother and daughter. Choose modest attire for the mother, such as a long dress. Dress the daughter in a similar style to match her mother. It's time to color your artwork. Use bright and cheerful colors to bring your drawing to life. Experiment with different shades to make your illustration vibrant and captivating. Once you've finished coloring, step back and admire your masterpiece. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.